This will be the best prank any 4-year-old can pull off.
We have to go to the 6-hour meeting at the GNN World Headquarters 45 minutes away.
Good. Coast is clear. Now to make a fake tornado warning, starting with activating the tornado sirens. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Now to fake the tornado warning on the emergency alert system. Ha 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 ha. Now to make my voice sound like Rocket Power Gal 24.
Oh, pulling and hitting my vocal cords hurts real bad. But anyways, let's do this.
So coming up on GNN News, a check on your weather forecast, and a special report on
This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Freedom City is under attack by a tornado. Here's what to do: stay away from the windows, lock your doors, board up everything, get a battery-powered radio in case of a power outage, and keep a phone next to you in case of an emergency. We're doing our best to keep all Freedom City citizens and visitors safe. In the meantime, do not turn off your TV or radio as there will be more updates. And we will be turning off all TV and radio station transmitters. Further instructions will be ahead.
Ha 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 ha. Pulling and hitting my vocal cords feel much better.
Oh my goodness, tornado! Caillou, what are you doing here? Wait a minute, that was not me on that EAS alert, and it was not the incredible Scout 24, it was you. Thanks a lot, Caillou. Now the whole city is in a panic. You are now in big trouble, young man. I'm sorry everyone, but the tornado warning is a hoax. You can thank Caillou for everything. He broke into the control room and activated the sirens and emergency alert system. All normal programming will be broadcasted and all normal activity can be resumed. And to Caillou's parents, you will be paying a $500,000 fine. I apologize for any inconvenience, and one more thing, please go to Caillou's house and scold him. His address is 6579 Gamer Road in Freedom City. Once again, I'm sorry for what happened. Have a great day, everybody.
Caillou, how dare you make a fake tornado warning? Now 1,294 people has came to our house and scolded you.
They all scolded you. They all grounded you. I calculated the time they gave you, and you're now grounded for 600 billion years.
Caillou is heartless. Caillou is a bad brother.
I agree with Rosie. Now go to your room and go to sleep, you worthless piece of crud.
Whoa.